Not just us ourselves, even our earth is a tiny creation. We have a great creation, this universe. Before thousands of years ago, the scholars, they used to believe the universe is infinite. And that was wrong belief. And when there is a Big Bang theory proven, then now the scientists know that the universe is a beginning. And it was started from a single point. And that's mentioned in the Quran. أَوَلَمْ يَرَ الَّذِينَ كَفَرُوا أَنَّ السَّمَاوَاتِ وَالْأَرْضَ رَتْقًا فَفَتَقْنَاهُمَا وَجَعَلْنَا مِنَ الْمَاءِ كُلَّ شَيْءٍ حَيٍّ. Did not the disbelievers see that the heavens and earth, this universe was joined as one mass, and then we split it asunder. And we bring out all the life from the water. And this is the beautiful teachings in the Quran. The scientific teachings. Physics is in the Quran, the biology in the Quran, the chemistry in the Quran, the mathematics in the Quran, the history in the Quran. Everything you want to learn, it's here in the Quran. And if you learn the Quran and you understand the Quran, you will become a scientist, a great scientist. Before, all the scientists were Muslim scientists. And they learned to become scientists by the Quran. But today what the Muslims are doing, they just read the Quran without understanding. Understand the Quran. That is the treasure of all the knowledge in the world. The greatest treasure of all the knowledge here in the Quran. You started to learn the Quran. What is the meaning of the Quran? No need to get translation. Just directly. Just understand directly. And you will see it's like a great ocean. You can go and you can bring out the pearls. And you can bring out the ornaments. And you can bring out the treasures in this ocean of the Quran. The knowledge. The ocean of the knowledge. So what is the important thing? Believe in infinite God, who is unlimited, who is very powerful. He can destroy us in 1 second. He can just say, sun, go get the sun, the arrow, get nearer, he can finish us. There are millions of tons of material coming from the sky, attacking us every day, but Allah make the 7 layers to protect us. There are ozone layer and other layer. We have a 7 layers above us, which is like electromagnetic layers. And these are our protection. Allah made it. We can be destroyed in the universe in 1 second because we are very small planet in the universe. But Allah put the 7 layers above us to protect us and showing His power. Allah said in the Quran, we make this sky is a canopy for you, the roof for you, to protect you. So that is how Allah is teaching us in the Quran the beautiful things. One of the things mentioned in the Quran, Allah is telling us that how Allah make this whole creation. See in the sky, in the earth, in our own cells, in animals, in the plants, in the trees, and look at the power of the creation of Allah, how Allah make this great creation, and you can increase your iman in Allah with seeing those signs of Allah in the creation of Allah, and to verses of Allah to read it, which explains about the creation of Allah. May Allah guide us.